Today, we're going to be reviewing how the Kanban view within Monday Dev is unique compared to that within work management and CRM. As you can see, within Monday Dev, our Kanban view has a couple unique features. We're going to start off up top here with our battery widget, which is showing us how, as we are progressing our tasks throughout our sprint, we're able to see how those are running. We can even click into these and it's going to highlight which of those tasks. You can see on the left-hand pane over here, they're lightly highlighting which of those items it corresponds to within those segments. As we click into our settings to further customize our Kanban view, you'll notice that there's a few extra settings over here. As with all of our Kanban cards, it is separated out by status, but we now have the ability to divide by not just our group or those additional statuses. We can also break this out by our connected columns. So for developer teams or anyone working in that Agile methodology, very helpful that we can break this out, say, by epic, and we can see how we're progressing those sprints within each of our epics. We are able then to hide empty groups, so if there's no information tied to any of those, it will not clog up our board. And we can choose whether or not we want to see that battery widget within each of our groups. And you'll see that by including that and dividing by, the battery widget is represented in each of those epics. Next up is going to be the ability to customize our Kanban cards. So let's undivide so everything's in one place. And you can see once again that unlike in work management or CRM, where all of the details for our columns are just listed vertically, within Monday Dev, our Kanban card has the ability to more card-like view our information, where we can drag and drop the information that is most relevant in these little pill formats so that we're able, at a glance, without needing to scroll, see everything that is most relevant for our teams as they're being assigned to our tasks. This is something we can also do for our subtasks, as we know that many of our teams working in an Agile methodology leverage sub-items heavily, and you can see over here how those would display. In addition to all of this, we do have the ability to show the column name if that is important to the team, rather than just the content contained within the column. And we can also include a cover image. So if there is any information contained within any of your items in which a cover image, if we have schematics or visuals, we can include those as well. Last but not least, very important, within Monday Dev, we also have the ability to conditionally color our dashboard or a Kanban board. So for example, if we have critical items, we want to make it surfaced a little bit more easily to see this, we can always come in where we're going to conditionally color this, that when priority is critical, we're going to make those items red. So if we come over here, we change this over here to critical, you'll see that this item now is red, so that our scrum masters, our project managers, anyone looking at this can very quickly identify those tasks that require the most attention.